on this edition of the AUDIOCAT channel.
What's up, you Cruise Crew? This is your boy Jay Cruz, aka the AUDIOCAT, with another day, another video, man. We are back in the building with Jack Fab, dropping off the famous AUDIOCAT here today, man. Let me check if I hit something. I was driving here, I ran into a tree and some other stuff, but I don't see no damages, so that's a good thing, man. But we came out here, yes sir. Almost ran into a tree. But we over here at Jack Fab, man. Dropping out the AUDIOCAT to get some little tweaks and stuff done to it, man. We're trying to figure out the problem we have with this wheel hop. So we dropped the car off today, left them for a few days, let them do what they do, man. They're a little mad at me because they want to go home. You see this guy here, Jack, right now up in the building, man. This is my favorite mechanic in the world. He is the doctor for the AUDIOCAT, but I'm trying to make him smile because he's mad because I'm late. But I'm doing the best I can to keep a smile on his face, man. But we're about to drop off this car, man, and you're gonna try to dissect to see if we can figure out what the wheel hop problem is with this car, because the wheel hop is what's causing all the damages that we're having. You know, so we've done pretty much suspension and stuff, but I'm gonna leave it to him with no rush, because every time I bring this car here, y'all, I always come here with a rush, a show, a beat, a this or that. So this time I ain't got nothing going on for a little bit. I'm gonna drop off the car and let him do what he does, man. And you know, I'm proud to be a part of the Jack Fab team. You're gonna be seeing a lot more video from Jack Fab. This is really a shop that I endorse and I stand behind. And I'm just grateful for having this guy right here work on this car, man. So he's the one that's actually doing what he needs to do. And hopefully he can figure out this problem with the AUDIOCAT over there, man. You know, so I thought my wife gave me a problem, but I think the car gives me more problems, more headaches than my car does. What do you think? The car or the wife? Who gives me more headaches?
Well,
who gives me more headaches? The wife or the car? You're on camera now. This is Mr. Black BattleCat up in the building. Sitting next, we got Black BattleCat sitting next to Peter Pan up in the building, y'all. But Mr. BattleCat, you know my whole family. First of all, how you doing, my brother? I actually ran on Puerto Rican time today, because we were supposed to be leaving at 5:30 from the DFW area to come out here to, what is this place called? Trenton. It sounds like Tipton, where we were just at. But we came out here to drop off the vehicle, and BattleCat was waiting for me too. And you know, I know.
I dropped my car off too.
Why are you dropping off your car?
Because all of y'all that took it.
No. I'm gonna tell y'all.
Y'all that took advantage of me on Saturday, I'm about to bust y'all ass.
No, it's gonna come better than that. You're putting an extra release button for that gap saws you're gonna be giving people.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Because we're gonna actually put a special button in the car, so when he's gapping you by at least 2 cars, he's gonna hit this button and it's gonna throw all the sauce in the street, so you know you just got gapped.
It's the new mod light that I ordered.
Yeah.
When you're leaving, it does like this.
It says, and it can have the Donald Trump in the back. Bye-bye.
It really does though. No, the one I ordered really does. So.
Oh, so he really has a bye-bye. But I don't know, man. We're gonna have to see what happens. You got a call out with a Z06 out there, I heard.
No, I got a call out from Nova at Gap Fest.
Oh, Nova came?
That was somebody hit me up on Instagram.
707 Nova?
Yeah. It was
She gonna get gapped.
Somebody said, why don't you race Nova when they watched the video? Because they was like, why didn't you race her? And I was like, I can't. I said, I'm breaking in my motor. So they was like, why don't you race her? I said, we can race. It's like, well, you need to race her. So I hit her up and I said, hey, somebody's challenging me to race you. She said, I'm for it. She said, I accept that. I said, so you're calling me out? And she was like, let's do it.
So he could be racing the 707. She goes under the 707.
The real Nova 797.
Yeah, so you saw her on that video that we had just posted on this trip to Trenton. She had a blast, man. She was sliding her car. She was having a great time.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put my money on BattleCat. You know, I'm loyal to my team, and you know what I'm saying. This is part of my team. I mean, it's not my team. This is BattleCat is no man, but it's part of my group, my crew, my family. You know what I'm saying. We're part of Jack Fab. So we all got this guy's name on our car, and I'm gonna support him, man. I mean, you know what I'm saying? And if you have any problems, just let me know, because we'll pull out the Nova.
Hey, there it is.
Nova's gonna get the Nova Cane. She ain't gonna like that one, man. But you know what I'm saying? Peter Pan, what you want to tell the camera here today? You steal from the rich and give to the poor? You got nothing to say today, man? You speechless today, man?
I don't know, I'm a little nervous. Rob's here today.
Oh, yeah. But anyway, y'all.
Hey, so since we have this, let me tell y'all. I know he's like, oh, wait a minute. You sorry.
Well, no, we all good,
Sorry, YouTube. All these rascals are jokesters and pranksters. But I'm gonna tell y'all something. I almost got Jeff, but he's my guy 100. He's my guy, I didn't do it to him. But I had the best prank for him ever. I'm gonna tell y'all about it, because it's gonna happen to y'all now. So, the prank that I had for Jeff is now gonna go to the team at Jack Fab. So,
we're not gonna say what it is. Y'all gonna have to watch the video.
Jeff knows, but just pay attention.
Yeah,
when it happens,
it's gonna happen.
So,
You know what I'm saying? But I feel, you know, Peter Pan, I'm cool with. Messing with Jack, man, that's kind of like, you know, there's the kind of guy who puts the bolts in our car.
We won't mess with Jack. We won't mess with you guys at all.
No, we don't want to mess. Matt can get it. Matt can get it. If y'all don't know Matt, man, Matt is undercover white boy. Like he's on a whole nother level of a guy, man. He's got a whole nother side to him, man. He's good at what he does. He's smart. He's a closer. He's great at what he does. He got good knowledge. But this is the technician who does everything here, man. So we're gonna be doing what we need to do. I know he told me there's another car he wanted me to vlog today.
Oh yeah.
So this is the car that actually came into the shop. Wow, look at this beautiful car here, man. So this guy has a 392.
Yeah, we're about to do a HELLCAT swap.
So we're doing you guys gonna do a whole HELLCAT swap on this car. What does that entail of?
And so, if you want to do a full HELLCAT swap, you got to do the wiring harness and everything on it. But we're actually still going to keep the 392 harness in it. So we can actually pull the PCM, make it think it's a HELLCAT pretty much. But we have the HELLCAT supercharger, oil coolers, the coolant pump. We even have a HELLCAT intercooler as well for the supercharger.
The block is gonna stay.
No, it'll be a HELLCAT block. It'll be a HELLCAT block and transmission.
HELLCAT block and transmission. You're doing a HELLCAT swap in the 392 complete.
Yeah.
But you're keeping the factory harness.
Factory wiring harness.
How's that even possible, man?
So
Knowledge.
With the intake air temp sensors, I convert them to where they read off the HELLCAT sensors. And then it also will read map based off of a HELLCAT sensor as well.
So you're gonna do your own configuration and get it done.
So I'll pretty much go into the 392 harness, gut it back to where I can put HELLCAT sensors in it, and then wire in the HELLCAT sensors on the factory
computer.
harness.
So you get the motor track. Y'all gotta stay tuned to this one. This is gonna be a HELLCAT swap 392.
Yeah.
That's pretty interesting. I've never seen that done before.
We're gonna do a couple extra things to it as well. So
That's gonna be the first ever that I know of.
Yeah, it won't be a stock HELLCAT, but
It'll be a HELLCAT swap on this car. But this could be the first ever that I know of that's gonna have a scat pack that can be converted to a HELLCAT. I like this gauge, man. That gauge right there is beautiful. I really love that gauge. That's really beautiful right there. Man, but this is gonna be a complete swap out. Pretty much motor transmission, you're gonna make the harness and get it over to being. That's amazing, Jack. That's a lot of knowledge to be able to do that, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, and as you can see, they still haven't resolved this problem here. The court has not resolved this yet.
Nope. I think his own personal insurance is gonna end up taking care of the car.
That is cool. His insurance, they're gonna end up taking care of the car on his own because they did not do it on insurance. Y'all, that's the craziest deal. Y'all haven't seen this video, watch another video that we have. It's amazing what happened to the story of this car, but you have to watch it to understand. But yeah, his insurance got to pay for it. We all thought the dealer should have took care of it, and they haven't, man. But you know what? At this point in time, we're gonna drop off the AUDIOCAT. I'm gonna let Jack have my baby for a few days. Well, I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow afternoon. I'm playing. I'm gonna leave him in my car for a few days so he can do what he has to do. And you know, I know it can be done right, man. That's why he's here today. So, Jack, we talked that this was private shit. My wife's not supposed to know this shit.
All right. Well,
Bro, Peter Pan, what's up with you, babe?
Yeah.
Babe.
Don't tell me you're leaving $6,800 in here.
No, I owe them $6,800. I'm gonna hope if you can give it to me.
Yeah, right.
Babe, come on.
No.
Mommy.
Now I feel like I was set up.
Mommy, I need the money. Give me the
That's
purse.
why you wanted me to come?
Give me the purse. Give me the purse. Baby, give me the purse.
Nope.
What you mean no? Listen to me, nigga. Come here. Hey.
No.
Hey, I need $6,800, baby.
I just said no.
What you mean you said no? Hey, I need $6,800.
And I just said no.
You're gonna give me $6,800.
Right.
Y'all take the purse, $1,000 credit?
yeah, we'll use that as collateral.
Collateral for. Anyway, y'all, we out.